In South Africa, we have produced a lot of talent, and most of those players, they turn out to disappoint the fans just because of one thing: discipline. And if you look around and all the talent that we've seen with our eyes here in the PSL, you can really actually go around and look their fadeaways. Their fadeaways didn't fade away like a player, like a legend, someone that was supposed to be the great, someone that was supposed to actually at some point carry the nation. And at this point, I'm talking about our very own MasterChef. And I think there's a lot of things that if you actually look at MasterChef's life, there's a lot of involvement around that word discipline. Because you remember when Signtowns actually signed him from SuperSports, he was one of the great talent. He knew how to pass, he knew how to actually control games, the way he was playing with that vision, the way he was actually locating those dangerous passes actually in the final third of the pitch. He was just great. And then Signtowns were like, you know what, we're going to sign this player, making sure that we actually bolster our squad as we're trying to dominate the South African football. But then it didn't go well with a lot of discipline around that player. And then they ended up loaning him to Sekhukhune, which actually also this one didn't work out. But I mean, sometimes when you are good, you are good. Orlando Pirates was like, you know what, we'll give you another chance. And I think when I'm looking at this chance, I'm like, this is actually a good chance for him, because Orlando Pirates actually gave him 3 years, which was a 1-year contract with a 2-year option based on performance and discipline. And I mean, it's kind of understandable why the discipline is there as part of the optional 2 years, because I think it makes sense. If you've been that kind of player that have been lacking the discipline, you kind of need that type of clause actually in your contract to make sure that the club also put themselves in the safer side to make sure that they're able to keep the culture of the club. So if you don't belong into it, they can just move you away. So MasterChef signing was just one of the greats in South African football. The way it was so hyped, everyone was so excited that it's actually getting another chance in a big club. And Orlando Pirates made sure that they put that and made a statement that they were ready this season to actually challenge Mamelodi Sundowns with MasterChef. And we all knew that MasterChef was going to come there with that excitement and actually shown why he called himself a MasterChef, and no one is complaining. But then, when MasterChef was there starting the season, he was actually the biggest part of Wadu's plan, how he going to actually attack different teams when he's playing in the league. And then earlier on, won the MTN 8, and then come back again, you won the Carling knockouts as well. And then he also gained himself a ticket to AFCON, which he actually went to AFCON and played. And I remember when actually, I think Zwane got injured and then they called him to come replace Zwane. I wasn't really happy about that selection. And I can tell you, I'm a huge Orlando Pirates fan. I wanted him to do well, but I didn't think that he's ready to actually gain that ticket to go to the AFCON, because I thought, let's just make him work hard to actually show us that he's dedicated, he really wants this. But then sometimes if you are lucky, like I'm saying, if you're good, you're good. So he got the tickets. But just after AFCON, things didn't go well in terms of him getting more time to play under Wadu's system. And that role that was playing in Mofokeng took more of that role, because even Maswanganyi had like a couple of injuries there and there, but he came in back at later towards the end of the season. So I think now everyone is looking at Orlando Pirates. What are you going to do with Mbule in this situation? Are you going to give him another chance, or are you going to just let him go and be like, you know what, we thought you were going to fit in this culture, but this culture, it looks like it doesn't work for you? Because at this point, we are all doing our speculations, because the club hasn't said anything. Mike Makapu came in and kind of like gave us a statement that's kind of be like a PR, because the statement was like, no, there is nothing that I can tell you, because they have nothing that I can tell you from my side, because Orlando Pirates, they are the one that are holding an optional 2-year extra based on performance and discipline. But that also can rely on what the technical team and the coach will feel like. The system of them are taking the players. Does it need Mbule in that system? Does Mbule can come in and play a huge role in that system? And then he kind of use that as one of the things that we need to look at if Pirates ended up not signing Mbule. But I think also, you're looking at the way he put that statement, you're looking in terms of when Mbule actually came in some of the games when he was giving time, I wasn't really happy, because I was like, I really want midfielders that can run. I don't want midfielders that can be passable, because I think most of the game needs to be controlled in the middle of the park. And especially the way we are playing, we need midfielders that can run, because we are sending more players forward every time we are attacking these teams, especially this season with all the fullbacks going forward. So we need another midfielders that can run, as well as Makaula and Nemtangela as well, so that if you are playing in that system, you are able to come back and recover the ball. So I think it was one of those things as well. When I was looking at him, I wasn't happy. I was like, the weight thing as well. I understand you have like a big body, but you need to make it look fit. Like, if I'm looking at you, I need to see that you have a big body, but you are fit. But when I was looking at him, I wasn't convinced, and he wasn't running. He was doing that thing of touching the ball, turn around, pass, and then you can see there is a player there, but I think you need more hunger. And actually, when you look at his talent, you think about us right now going into the World Cup with Mokoena as our best player. Think about if Mbule, what if Mbule actually took himself seriously and is in that starting lineup with the quality that he can possess, and we were going to be like, you know what, we have the best midfielder that we can present in, and actually give challenge to some of the teams in the World Cup. But I think it's one of those things where you have a great talent, you have the master chef that is not going to cook anymore, because he's really not cooking anything right now, because the pots are just facing down, there's no stove, anything is just bad. And we're going to see what Orlando Pirates is going to do with this one, but I'm just hoping they can give him another chance and he tried to come back and prove himself, because I don't think after Orlando Pirates there will be other big chances. But I mean, people have lucky out there, and sometimes, like I've been telling you in this video, that if you are good, you are good. And maybe Mbule can go elsewhere and actually realize that he needs to take himself seriously, put that little bit of energy, even though you know that you have talent, just put a little bit of energy, and then you can come back to life and actually be a good player in South Africa, and maybe come back to the national team setup, because I think they were going to take you in the national team setup if you were playing in the Orlando Pirates team, but you were not playing, so there was a lot of things that was happening there. So I think, Mbule, you need to make sure that you take yourself back into the big heights where you belong, because you are the master chef. But if you've been watching this video up until this far, thank you so much for supporting me as well. But I just want to know from you, do you think Orlando Pirates should give Mbule another chance, or you think the master chef can go elsewhere and try to cook something different from what he was cooking at Orlando Pirates? Make sure that you paste your comment down below, your thoughts in the comment down below. And my name is Pop Kiss, up the Bucks. Once and always, we are triple champions, and I'll see you on the next one.